This is the assessment tracker. It allows you to monitor student assessment results. From here, you can see results for all of the tasks in the assessment. As students complete tasks, their scores will appear in the tracker cells. Selecting a marked cell will take you to the student's answers. Sometimes a task will require marking. When this happens, a question mark will appear. Select the question mark to go to the student's answer, along with a simple marking interface for you to assign marks. After you have marked a task, the results will appear in the assessment tracker. If your assessment is conducted offline, you can manually enter the results by selecting Mark Manually. The tracker cells will turn into text fields, or if it is an open activity, an A to E drop-down selector will appear. Simply type the results into the text fields or select an appropriate A to E result. Select Save to save the recorded results, or Cancel to undo them. By default, assessment results are withheld from students. To allow students to see their results, select this icon, which will release results to all students in the class. Selecting a student's name will take you to their student portfolio. To return to the assessment homepage, simply select the assessment name in the navigation bar. You can return at any time to view student results.